Okay, sa mas minsan muli yung lingkod, Mr. Salaryman. Ngayon tayo ay pupunta sa Enoshima. Let's go! Ganda yung weather guys. It's a beautiful sunny day. Yeah. Time check 9:22. Pupunta nga pala tayo sa office ngayon guys, no? Kasi mag-aaral muna tayo guys, mga 1 hour lang, then food trip. Then tsaka tayo pumunta sa Enoshima guys. Yeah. Beautiful sunny day guys, no? Haring araw. Food trip muna tayo 7-Eleven guys. Yeah. Food trip natin guys, so 26 grams of protein yan. Yeah. Bawal nga pala mag-video sa loob guys, no? For security purposes. Yeah. Yeah. What's karasama des minsan? Gusto tayo mag-aral guys. Baikta na tayong Enoshima. Let's go. Time check guys. 11:12. Legit guys. Sunny day. Yeah. God's back. Million fans around the world. Shout out. Napakalupit guys. Hook yata to eh. Hindi ko alam guys, no? Napakaangas. Sineselebrate nga pala natin guys yung extension natin, no? Yeah. God's good guys. Mr. Salaryman, extend na naman. Kubra lang ng kubra guys. Yeah, God's good. Yeah, tara na't maglakbay. Adventure time. Parang GTA lang guys, no? Yeah. As usual ang ating service. Warp core. Parang araw guys, no? Yeah. Yan naman yung skyline guys. Sobrang ganda. Fuji's ano? Tatakpan. Mount Fuji guys, no? Shout out. What a beautiful day. Yeah. That's now. Napakalapit guys. Yeah. That is good. Guys, so it's hiking time. Guys, mag-hike tayo. 1 km lang yan. Yeah. Okay, so food trip oh. Mamaya food trip tayo guys. Lunch. Yeah. Pagkatin natin yan guys. Yeah. Hugas tayo kamay guys. Yeah. Mga temple guys, no? Yeah. Tara sa cave guys. Temple din dito guys, no? Yeah. Grabe naman guys, napakalupit. Grabe naman to. Wow. Guys, napakalupit. Wait. Napakaganda guys. God's good. Blue sky. Ito ang malupit. Ito ang tinatawag na God's plan guys. Yeah. Tignan nyo naman guys. Napakalupit. Tignan nyo yung waves guys oh. Grabe. Napakalakas ang alon guys. Wow. God's plan. Napakalupit. Yeah. Grabe yung alon guys no. Napakaangas guys oh. Woo. Grabe yung alon guys. Majestic. Pasok tayo sa cave guys. 500 yun. Okay. Legit. Nasa loob tayo ng cave guys no. Napakaangas. Yeah. Tayo na maglakbay. Ang pangalan niya nga pala guys no. Iwaya Cave. Napakalupit. Yeah. Napakalupit guys, binigyan tayo ng kandila guys no. Napakakangasam ng side quest natin na to guys. Kakaibang side quest to guys ha. Parang Witcher lang guys ha. Napakalupit guys oh. Adventure time. Napakalupit guys. Gucci. Guys oh, lupit. Ano? Caver no, Mr. Salaryman, caveman guys. Gucci talaga. Let's go. Adventure time. Guys. Palalim na tayo ng palalim guys no. Yeah. Napakalupit ng side quest natin guys. Ito yung end ng cave guys. Yeah. Napakalupit. Siyempre guys, stamp muna tayo no. God's plan. Paring araw, shout out. Grabe alon guys no. Ooh. Napakalupit. Million fans around the world. Yung second cave guys no. Yeah. Tignan nyo to, ang lupet. No, guys, clap your hands in front of Dragon God. Something might be. Hindi ko alam po kung ano mangyayari guys, no. Pero baka turuan niyo tayo ng Dragon Arts. Clap. You know. Wala guys, walang nangyari. Guys, na-explore na natin. Balik na tayo at tayo mag-food trip. Let's go! Balik na tayo guys, food trip tayo. Yeah! Mababa na tayo guys. Hanap tayo ng food trip. Let's go! Hanap lang tayo ng food trip guys, no? Hanap tayo ng budget dito guys. Yeah. Wala guys, puro tourist trap yung mga kainan dito guys, no? Yeah, balik tayo sa station. Wala akong mahanap na food trip guys, kaya try na lang natin sumakay dito sa monorail guys, no? Yeah, budget chan, try natin guys. Sasakay tayo ng lumilipad na train guys, no? Yeah, lipit na ito. JR. Yan ang lagi niyong tatandaan guys, no? JR yung sasakyan natin palagi. Touchdown guys sa ating hometown, Kawasaki. Yeah, food trip tayo guys. Time check 3:02. Mga pala paborito natin guys, no? Subukan. Yeah. Guys, subukan. God's plan. Sarap na ito guys. Ano nagsasabi sa inyo? Sobrang gujit na ito. Gujit! Yeah. Life is good no guys. Stop ng subuan guys. Gujit. Okay, extend nga pala tayo guys, no? Celebrate tayo. God's plan guys, no? Napakaganda ng plano ng Diyos sa ating buhay guys. Kaya kailangan lagi natin gagalingan. Yeah. What a ride guys, no? What a ride. Adventure talaga guys. Parang GTA lang, napakadaming side quest. Yeah. God is good guys. Lagi natin tatandaan guys, no? God is good. Let's go. Food trip natin guys. Yeah. T6. Yeah, tapos ka na sa minsan. Busog-busog tayo guys, no? Napakadami natin kinain. Hindi na ako kakain ng dinner guys. Yeah, let's go sa Madis. Time check guys, 3:49. Let's go sa Madis.